Job of the day. I'm putting the cylinders back in this tilt bed. Fat Boy trailer was able to rehone everything, put new parts and pieces inside. Now it's all good, all sealed up. I'm gonna put them on. I don't think I need to get a power up, power down motor to bleed the whole system, but I'm gonna get everything back on, make sure, assess what I need, make a list, and then swing back tomorrow morning, get everything bled out. All right, let's get these fasteners out that I put on. First cylinder is going on. Oh, good. Thought I backed the bolt out, but I didn't. Good and good. First cylinder's on. Let's get that other cylinder on. I need some pliers. Next cylinder going in. I gotta hang it and bang it. This car key out. One side is off. We want cables going that way. Okay, we can dig that in the dirt. Pin is out. Oh yeah, baby. One-handed. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh no, we gotta turn this bitch around. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're gonna get a pry bar and then pry that back into place. Oh, we're close. Come on. Pry bar, baby. This way. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Oh, too far. Yes, sir. You got it. Yeah. I'm on now, baby. I'm on now. Got it. New cotter key going in. Good. One more cotter key for the top. And bent over. Not yet. Come on. Please. There we go. Bent over. Got it. Alright. Cylinders are in. Let's run some lines. Alright, we got it perfect now. I got caps in the ends of these so I don't get any dirt inside when I'm trying to put them on. I need a 7/8, I believe, for this set piece here. 15/16. No, 1 inch. 1 inch is what I need. 1 inch. Why is that too big? 15/16 will do. Just a little too big. We'll get it on. Can't lose that screw, so we'll put it there. Feed these through the holders. That's where that's going. That's where that's going. Up and through. Come on, baby. Just go in. It's not. We don't need that big of a. Don't need to make a big thing of it. You and I don't want that. Good. Both hoses are through. All the way through, please. What are you hung up on? I got it. Put nut on there. Good. Tight. Hoses are good. That's gonna 90 into that piece. That goes up and over. I need to check the photo. I took a photo of it last time. So far, so good. Lever is on. Everything's even. Let's get these hoses lined up. This one's going to that front adapter or the 90. Take my plug out. Yeah, it goes here. Tight. This is going to the top of that cylinder. I gotta loosen this and push this forward. Too far back. Good. That one's on. Good, good. Yes, yes. This is going up and over. Up is on. Where's my 11/16? Let's get this one on. Just doesn't seem correct. All right, I got it. Had to go over my notes. Oh yeah, righty-tighty, opposite way. This bleeder's on the bottom of the cylinder, that bleeder's on the top of the cylinder. We are cooking with gas. Tight. And lastly, tight. Cool. And then we got this loose. Tighten this. Okay, everything's tight. Good, good. Get my tools out of here. And I got a zip tie. All right, zip ties are going on. That's good, that's good. I'll just use my zip tie gun. Good. Zip tied, everything's in. Got all cylinders on. Everything's plumbed in the correct way. We got bleeder on this side, bleeder on that side, so I can hook up, power down motor and bleed the whole system. But I got to go make a whole contraption for that because I don't have one. Oh, almost lost a wrench. Good stuff. And this is on, off, good. See if it airlocks. Nope. All right, that one's locked in. I'll come back out tomorrow. I gotta find a power up, power down motor and get that all hooked up and bleed the system. This one's finished. This one's done. I'll come back tomorrow for that. All right, we're back out of the tilt bed. I'm gonna bleed this system. I spent all morning trying to find a power up, power down 12-volt motor. Couldn't find one. My supposed trailer supply was out of 7-way plugs, so tells you how much they know about trailers. So I'm gonna do this with the tilt. I got a 5-gallon of hydraulic. I got 2 hoses. I'm gonna hook them up to the bleeders on the cylinder heads. on the cylinders, and then I'm gonna just start going up and down and getting all the air out and putting fluid in. There's the, just take the top off, put the hose on that, then I'll run it into the 5-gallon bucket and just go up and down, and hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I gotta make it work. There's no other option. I got hoses hooked up to the bleeders. I'm just gonna feed it into this. I got a 5-gallon of hydraulic fluid, so hope this plan works. Hoses are fed in. Let's walk up and down this thing. There we go. I think it's working. Heck yeah, it's dampening on the way down, dampening on the way up. Got some air in the system still. We're slow to go down, slow to go up. Just keep pumping. I'm so stoked this is working. I was so stressed out about trying to figure out how to bleed this thing. It's getting better and better. I think most of the air is out of it because it feels like it's grabbing on every inch of play. And I don't hear the, so I got that 5-gallon, I don't hear the reservoir bubbling. See if the lockout works. Lockout's on. No, lockout's not working. I hear air. I wonder if the lockout was on the wrong section. I think I'm gonna drop the front of that. Drop the front of the trailer all the way down. Hopefully I have enough jack. I don't. Drop it down one hole. I got it as low as I can on the front. I have a jack in the back so it doesn't kick up on me. Slowly. It's working. Oh, I know why the lockout's not working. Because I have it bypassed. It's like, wonder why the lockout's not working. Oh, I got 2 hoses completely bypassing that whole system. We are going down nice and slow though. There we go. All right, I was able to use a pry bar to push that cylinder in, because when this comes down, that cylinder extends, and it wasn't extended all the way. So I pushed it in. I'm going to take the hoses off. This is the open position, so I'll label that open. This is closed. I think I got all the air out, so let's test it. Take the hoses off and go from there. Okay, I got one hose done. I'm gonna disconnect the other hose and then go up and down, make sure everything's good. Hose is off. Drain the excess into the hydraulic reservoir. Come on, baby. Nope, no, stay in. Perfect. And cap off the end. Clean up some excess. Yeah, got a good amount of fluid inside the cylinders. I had to use these as pry bar stops because I needed to use the pry bar to open up the bottom cylinder or close off the bottom cylinder. All right, we're fully open. Oh, baby. You kidding me? That's amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and slow down. Let's see if it locks out. All right, we're locked out. Yep, lockout works. Let's try it again. Walk up to the top. Goes down nice and smooth. Beautiful. All right, let's lock it out. And I'll let him know. Absolutely perfect. This trailer is officially done. All new hydraulic system. Everything's serviced. New seals. Everything's rehoned. I got all the lines bled. It goes up, goes down, perfectly smooth. Lockout works. I'm on to the next.